Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to the Gullu's in the kitchen. Today now I'm making an easy method of grated egg chowmein. It's a very healthy recipe and chowmein means stir fried noodles. Let's check the recipe. Noodles, raw, oil, chopped carrot, small cup, chopped capsicum, chopped green chilies, chopped tomato, red chili powder, soya sauce, vinegar, salt, green chilies 3 pots, boiled eggs, and boil the chowmein noodles. Crush it nicely. Crush it into 2 inch. In raw only, crush the raw noodles into like this. I will show how to crush. Crush it into 2 inches. And boil it like this with the salt and little bit of oil. It's a different recipe. And half spoon ginger garlic paste. Let's catch my recipes and follow my channel to know more my recipes. Pour oil, add garlic chop, cook it nicely until brown color. Next add carrot chop. Next add capsicum and green chilies. Add a little bit of salt. Add the half spoon ginger garlic paste. Next add chili powder and chopped tomato. Just to cook a little bit, and it's a seedless tomato. Seedless tomato, chop it nicely. Next add soya sauce and vinegar. Chop the flame and take the eggs, grate it small like this. This one size is enough. Grate it like this. First switch off the flame, then add the grated eggs. I will show one more. and grate nicely. On top, grate the egg like this and mix it nicely. Add the crushed noodles and it's boiled also. Add into this and check the seasonings and cook it for 2 minutes, then remove it. And it will get the nice egg flavor. Just for 2 minutes. Heat it nicely. Egg lovers mostly like this recipe. And it's a totally different recipe also. Grated eggs, chopped tomato, and ginger garlic paste, and I crushed the noodles and stir fried. You can see the tomatoes, all vegetables. Finally, grated egg chow mein is ready. You can see the colorful tomatoes chopped and boiled egg crushed, capsicum and green chilies. For the noodles, you can see the coated egg when I'm adding the grated. The egg yolk with coated noodles. Nice recipe, and follow this recipe if you like. Grated egg chow mein, superb with a coated egg yolk.